Good morning, traders. I'm Michael Sabo, Senior Commodities Broker with RJO Futures here in Chicago on November 18th. Bringing you some commentary here in the energy market. So let's get started. Well, we're going to shift now. We're going to start looking at January oil. We're seeing December oil here. Last trade will be on Wednesday. So if you're still in December oil as a trader here, tomorrow by the close, 1:30 Central Standard Time, you need to make sure you offset your position or roll out into January. We had option expiration there of these options on Friday. Really pretty quiet day. We did get a little bit of upside action that kind of sold off there into the afternoon, but majority of action there was pretty uneventful. This morning, Jan oil just a touch firmer after being weaker here in the overnight. We're a little bit firmer here now. We're up about 18 cents, around 94.67. Brent's off about nickel, trading around 108.45. So all in all, kind of quiet. Nat gas up close to about a penny. The complex is about half a cent to a penny firmer here. So all in all, pretty quiet. S&P, another new high again here. That market just continues to move up into uncharted territories, and it's very interesting. It's exciting, but at the same time, it's a little concerning here because if you're talking about the S&P here right now, if you look at what's really propping that market up here, that 85 billion a month here, you got to ask yourself, what's going to happen when they start pulling that out of the market? Is this thing going to be able to stand on its own? So I get some real concern there. But the oil market, shifting gears back here to the oil market, again, kind of quiet here, a little bit firmer after being weaker in the overnight. Seems to be a lot of consolidation going on. Not a lot of news really in the fundamentals side of things here. Looking at the technicals, I think you've got price consolidation going on. Short-term technical indicators still appear to be oversold. I've talked about that here for a little while. And I still think the market might be able to muster up enough strength here to get up closer to around 96 here, even in the January oil, get up somewhere around the 96 area, then probably sell off. Supply side, as I've talked about in so many posts, seems to be ample. I mean, we've got a record amount of crude on hand for this time of year when you look at our current stockpiles. So plenty of oil. And the demand side, as I've talked about here, appears to be sluggish at best. So, that's one of the things that we have to keep in mind here as we look at the big picture. And I've got some strategies here. If you're interested, you want to hear about some, I've got a January ratio options play that we are taking a look at. Give me a call, and I'll be more than happy to discuss it with you, give you the exact strike prices here, what the premiums are, what the profit potential is, what the risk is, etc., and go over ways to manage that position. So, again, if you're interested, give me a call, shoot me an email. The number there is on the screen. And of course, keep in mind that futures trading does involve a substantial amount of risk. It may not be suitable for all traders. Good luck and good trading.